Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make froth milk with the KitchenAid espresso machine. That's cool because we are going to use the steam mode for the milk. If we're going to make some cappuccino or other coffees with frothed milk on top, for example, or do you like frothed milk to drink that by yourself, no problem. We toggle the mode button to select the steam. The machine will automatically start heating, indicated by the flashing steam light. The steam light will go solid when the machine is ready for steaming. Oh yeah. So now let's try it. We push the play button and you can see at the first dip it comes all the water out of it. This will evacuate the water out of this tube. So abort it. Then we are going to fill the milk pitcher with desired amount of cold milk. We fill to the bottom of the pour spout. This is the best position, but you can top up more, it's no problem, or less, of course. Then we are going to place it nearly under it. And of course, we angle the steam once towards the drip tray or into a cup. We press the play button to start. Once water turns to steam, we can press the start button to stop again. We adjust the steam wand to desirable position. Submerge the tip of the steam wand just below the surface of the milk in the milk pitcher as well. So that's easy. If you dip it deeper, you will heat up the milk only. But if you go to the surface of the milk, but a little bit under the surface, you will make a good and awesome frothed milk on the top of it. If we perform this, it's so easy. Wait until the volume will be doubled. If the volume doubled, I think it's enough. Okay, you will have so little tiny cute bubbles on top of it. Oh, your froth will be so milky. Your froth will be so delicious. Your froth will be so warm and tasty. We press again the play and abort button to initiate the steam. The froth under desired level of the foam and temperature is reached. To stop the steam, we press it again, of course. To avoid splattering, wait until the steam stops before removing the steam wand from the milk itself. And here we are. On the bottom, of course, there are hot milk here. But now there comes the froth of milk again. And there it is. It's a big, awesome thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.